How's it going, YouTube? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the black and gym red colorway. These dropped on June 29th for a retail price of $160 or $215 here in Canada. So the official colorway for this shoe is black, gym red, sail, and white. So straight off the bat, this colorway is eerily similar to the not for resale Air Jordan 1s that released a few months back. The main difference, however, is the swoosh on this pair is red instead of black. So for people like me who are fans of the Air Jordan 1 but who just couldn't get their hands on the not for resales, this is a pretty good alternative. So jumping straight into the shoe, this is your classic Air Jordan 1 High silhouette. The base layer of this sneaker, which is this white part, this is constructed using this white leather. To the touch, this white leather isn't anything special. It feels pretty much like your standard Jordan leather, so I wouldn't say that it's anything good, but at the same time, it's not anything horrible either. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, here we have this glossy black leather. So in comparison to the white leather, I honestly feel like the black leather feels much softer in hand, and the quality of this part wasn't bad at all. The fact that it was glossy though was a bit surprising to me, but I actually don't mind it, and I feel like it gives a little bit added pop to the shoe. On the mid panel of both sides of the shoe, here we have that white leather once again, and then overlaid on top of this we have this gym red colored swoosh. Near the top of the shoe on the lateral side only, here we have the Air Jordan Wings logo debossed in white. And then we see more of that glossy black leather wrapping around the back end of the shoe. Surrounding the top of the ankle collar area, here we have the gym red leather once again, and I gotta say from a quality standpoint, this red leather isn't bad either. In terms of laces, so these come standard with flat style black laces, however they do give you a secondary pair of gym red laces if you want to mix it up. Underneath the laces, we have your standard black nylon tongue, and at the very top, we have this tag that has the Nike Air branding in red. So the interior of these Jordan 1s is lined in this smooth black textile, and then as I take out the insole, here we have your standard Jordan brand insole that's done in black, with Nike Air branding on the heel in red. So the upper of these Jordan 1s sits atop this sail or off-white colored midsole. Encapsulated underneath the heel but not visible to the eye, we have a Nike Air unit for added cushioning. And then turning these guys over to the bottom, here we have your standard Air Jordan 1 outsole. So this is entirely done in black rubber. We have the circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with the Nike logo found in the middle. So in terms of sizing, these fit and feel exactly like all my other Air Jordan 1s. So for most people that means sticking true to size. For me, I just personally like going up a half size on my Jordan 1s because I have slightly wider feet. But I feel like 99% of you out there do stick true to size for Jordan 1s, so that's what I would recommend for this pair. Next up, in terms of comfort, so nothing different here. Jordan 1s aren't going to be the most well-cushioned sneaker on the market, however, they are very low and flat to the ground, and they will give you a lot of ground feel. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Can there ever be enough black, red, and white Jordan 1s? Probably not. And for me personally, despite having so many black and red Jordans in my collection, I was very happy to add this to the collection. I know a lot of people out there really didn't like the glossy black leather, but to me I kind of dig it because I feel like having this glossy black leather, it separates itself compared to all the black, white, and red Jordan 1s on the market. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this black and gym red Air Jordan 1. Did you guys pick up a pair last weekend or did you guys pass? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.